Hello, my name is Barb. I'm out here at Guarantee RV. Hopefully you've seen me in these videos a couple of times before. Today I want to talk with you about a North Trail. This is a super well-built travel trailer. It's a 25 bunkhouse with a nice slide out, and I'm going to tell you what, when we get inside, you're going to be surprised and pleased. So let's go on inside and take a look. This North Trail has got a great setup. You know, one of the things that is spectacular about it is you have a private bedroom with a king bed. There's storage above the bed on each side and also another closet. That makes it really handy. For a 25-foot trailer, you come out of the master bedroom and you've got this beautiful living area, lots of counter space, lots of drawers, lots of storage, a nice oven, range, microwave, full-size refrigerator, and this horseshoe dinette. And that makes it really, really nice because you can sit around as a family, you can pull up a chair, or you can make it down into another bed for another camper. It's got the dual bunks, and again, more storage on the, with this bunk area. You've got a great big bathroom here, and the bathroom is really, really nice. It has one of those showers. It's called a pan shower, so you don't have the bathtub. You have a nice shower that has a sliding door that comes across there, keeps all the water contained, a nice vanity, and again, storage. You know, it's always a lot of fun to come out and do these videos. I really enjoy it, and I hope that you have too. It's nice to see the inside, outside, and hear a few things about a travel trailer. But the real McCoy is when you come out here and see for yourself. Please give me a call. My name is Barb, Barbara Guarantee. My phone number is 541-521-4232. That's me, Barbara Guarantee. Thank you.